Look at this. Look at the invisible knot. Look how natural looking. And the best part is that it's glueless. Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video, as you guessed it, is another wig review. I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful look with Unice hair using their 24-inch Jerry curl knotless but glueless wig. Yes, you heard me right, and this unit is completely glueless. So if you're worried about your edges and you're also worried about time, this is the perfect wig for you because it doesn't require glue and it doesn't require a lot of time. I also want to let you guys know that I have a special gift here. This is so pretty, right? Look at the pink, so pretty. Okay, so this is a curling wand by Unice hair. This is a special gift that's going to come with your purchase of 22 to 24 and up of this hair. Okay, again, I'm going to leave all of the details down below, so don't worry about that. I also have a discount code for my viewers only, so don't worry about that as well. So let's get into this hair, y'all. Without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. As you can see, I'm sporting my Unice robe. I have a few of these. Let me go back so you can see. I actually have a few of these. I love working with Unice, and every time I work with them, they have sent me this every single time. Unice is just killing me with the pink. I mean, look at the box. Look at the box. It's pink and pretty. And in here we have our beautiful unit. This is a 24-inch beautiful curly hair, but the most important part is that it's glueless. Glueless wigs are winning, okay? So anyway, I have the box here. There are a few goodies in here. This is the elastic band to tie the wig down. It has a makeup brush in here. It has the wig cap and it has lashes. Those lashes are crazy big. I never ever do lashes that big. The most important part is our unit, and this is the unit, y'all. Let me take it out the bag. I'm super excited. This is about to be my staple. Y'all know how I do with hair. If I like a hairstyle or a unit, I wear it over and over and over and over. Okay, so the knots have been bleached. That's what the unit looks like. And then those little things on the side there, those are your baby hairs, y'all. So they already did the baby hairs for you. And then one of the most important thing again is that the what's it called? The lace front looks natural because the hair is pushed back a little bit. The hair has also been plucked, so it's not super thick in the front. So it does appear natural, okay? So let's go ahead and take our unit out of the, ooh, it's getting stuck on my ring. Okay, taking it out of the bag here. All right. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is beautiful, y'all. Look at this. See how nice that looks? It already has a part. It comes as a middle part, but again, you can do with this hair whatever you want. The baby hair has already been made for you. See that? And then another thing about this wig is that it comes with the adjustable elastic band that can also be taken off the wig if you don't want that. So I usually adjust it because my head is big, but it's not that big. So I like to adjust it to the tightest so that it fits snug, especially because it's a glueless wig. So to the wig itself, I can already tell how big, full, and heavy it is. The curls are nicely defined, but y'all know I'm gonna do a little bit to it to just make it look not so wiggy. When it first comes out of the box, again, everything has already been done. The cutting has been done, the styling has been done. It feels really soft. The hair is very dense. This is 180 density. So it's very dense, which means it's very full. I'm rubbing or running my fingers through and it's not shedding. One thing about curly hair is it sheds. I don't care who you get it from. I don't care what you try to do. For some reason, curly hair sheds because it has been processed. This is glueless, okay? So if you're trying to save your hairline, your edges, you're trying to save time in the morning for school, work, or whatever, this is literally grab, put on, zhuzh a little bit and go. And I like that a lot. I usually just spray a little bit of glue, put my hair on. But with this, you don't even have to do that. You can just put it on and go. And the fact that it has the elastic band, it also has some clips on the sides here, and then it has a clip in the back, and then it has this like sticky, I don't know what that is, but this is supposed to adhere to your skin to enforce or reinforce the security of the wig. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my bonnet off. This bonnet is my brand. It's by Lugs. It's really pretty. I have it on my website. I'm gonna leave the details below as well. This is how I like to wear my wig. So I like to hold this. I like to hold the wig like this. Okay, this is the front of the wig. This is the inside of the wig facing you all. So I like to hold the elastic band, only the elastic band, bend my head and put the elastic band on top of my head. And then I flip it over and then I pull the front of the wig to the front of my hair. All right, so this is what it looks like. This is very snug. I'm having to pull on it. The thing I've noticed is that the wig does not match my skin tone. So I do have to put some makeup on it. So here we are. I have a little bit of makeup on my brush here. I'm just gonna grab my wig and put the makeup on it. So while I do this, I wanted to talk to you all a little bit about where I've been. Let me fix my shirt. So I was posting like crazy towards the end of summer, and oh my goodness, I was doing a lot of hard work. Not only was I posting content for you all, but I was also decorating my house. And if you guys have moved and decorated a whole house, it can be really, really stressful. It's a lot of work, it's expensive, and it was a lot going on. And I'm so blessed and lucky to be working with a whole lot of brands who really, really helped me out. So this is my hair. This is what it looks like now. I feel like it matches a little better. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it back on, okay? All right, so this is the hair, y'all. This is the hair without any glue, any gel. It fits really nicely on my head. I like that a lot. I'm just adjusting it. All right, so family, look at this. Look, this is completely glueless. You see that? There is no glue. Look, see that? And then I love the fact that the part is not like super straight, because nobody's hairline is like that. And this is what the actual, let me go back. This is what the actual hair looks like. It is absolutely beautiful, y'all. I'm just gonna go ahead and finger comb it. It feels really good. It's beautiful. It keeps getting cut in my ring. I have 2 rings on and the hair keeps getting cut in it. Maybe I should take it off, but anyway. I don't have my nails done, so I wanted to just put on some rings so my fingers don't look so naked as I do this hair. Oh wow, this is beautiful, y'all. This is gorgeous. Wow, family, look at this. Do you guys see this? This is so pretty. And for a glueless wig, like this is sitting on my head right now with no glue. Absolutely no glue on it. And it's just, wow. I love the color. I love the curl pattern. I like everything about this, y'all. I'm gonna make it as big as possible. Wow. All right, I'm taking my rings off. I'll put them on later. They are getting on my nerves. I'll put them on later. I just can't, y'all. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. Curly just does it for me. So I'm getting dressed because I have a few functions today. I have a live show on Instagram, but it's not gonna be, you're not gonna see it when this video comes out. So the live stream is gonna happen before this video comes up. So once this video comes up, that would have already happened. So I also have a dinner date today. And then I also have my nephew's play tonight. A choir. He has a choir thing tonight. And then I have a mini photo shoot. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing it. This is the back of the hair. How beautiful is this? How gorgeous is this? Okay, so this is what the hair looks like. This is so gorgeous. The knots are invisible. Do you see that? They're invisible. Like, see it in the light. Do you see it? All right, family, so I'm gonna try to define the curls a little bit. I kind of don't want to, but I just want to show you all that it does. Like, when you wet it, it's even prettier, okay? So I have just water in here. I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit of water on it. Okay. Just put water on it. You can also put mousse on this. You can put your favorite conditioner on it. Usually when the hair starts to get a little older, again, curly hair tangles easily. Look how pretty that is. All right, so this side, wow, versus this side. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the water on this side as well. I'm gonna have all the details down below for you all to check out. It's so full. All right, family, so this is what this hair looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my makeup, get dressed, and come right back. All right, family, this is my hair. Oh my goodness, look at this, y'all. This is so beautiful. Look at the volume. My goodness. Curly hair just eats on me every single time. It just eats. You know what I mean? Like, look at the invisible knot. Look how natural looking. And the best part is that it's glueless. See this? Okay. Look at this. Do you see that? Curly hair just does something to me. It changes my face, it changes my mood. It makes me feel so feminine and so beautiful. And I want to say thank you to Unice Hair for making that happen. Again, this is a completely glueless wig. It doesn't require a lot of time. It doesn't require you sacrificing your edges. It doesn't require you being a professional wig installer. You literally just take the thing like so and put it on. It comes bleached already. It comes with the baby hair already cut and styled for you. It is so dense, which means it's full. It takes literally 5 minutes to put on. But don't forget, if you get anything from 22 inches and 24 inches, you get a whole curling wand, a super cute pink curling wand for free. All right, family, that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And don't forget to check out the description box, okay? I'll see you all in my next one. And thank you to Unice Wig for sponsoring today's video. Bye.